Hello, my dear students. So, today we continue the same chapters from testing to digesting, chapter 3. Okay, previously, already all the topics is discussed. So, I hope you are studying well. So, students, today we go for next topics. See, students, before going to the next topic, my one question I need to ask you: what will happen if we eat too less or eat too much? Just think it. Okay. Yes, so today we discuss about two patients, Rashmi and Kailas. These are two patients of Dr. Aparna. Rashmi age is 5 years and while Kailas age is 7 years. So Rashmi she looks about 3 years old, but actual age is 5 years, but she looks about 3 years old. She has very thin arms and legs and a pot belly. Understood? Pot belly means stomach like a balloon. She often falls sick. Okay, students. She always feel tired and cannot go to school regularly. She does not have the strength even to play. Why? Strength is not coming. Why? From where we get the energy? Can you tell me? Food only. So if the food is healthy, can we get the proper energy? If the food is unhealthy, we cannot get the proper energy, or inadequate amount of foods we can't get the proper energy. Understood? So see, Rashmi food is she is habit is she is lucky if she can get a little rice or one roti to eat in the whole day. If at all I am talking about Kailas, whose age is 7 years, and he looks older than his age. See, students, Kailas, he looks older than his age. His actual age is 7 years. So his body is fat and flabby. He has pain in his legs. He is not very active. Okay. So he goes to school by bus and spend many hours watching TVs. What food he like? He does not like to eat home cooked foods. See, students, he doesn't like to eat home cooked food like dal rice, vegetables, and roti. The only things he finds tasty are chips, burgers, pizzas, and shop drinks from the market. Okay, students. So see, if see why do you think that the food of Rashmi and Kailas was not proper? See, what do you understand by the proper food? Adequate and nutritious food according to one's body needs make the proper foods. Understood, students? So, if you all if you see the Rashmi condition and you see the Kailas conditions, Rashmi is not getting adequate amount of foods. On the other hand, Kailas is taking too much food than what his body needs. Okay, understood, students? So, moreover, he is taking chips, burgers, pizzas, and soft drinks instead of eating homemade food. These are harmful foods. Okay, so whatever the food he is taking, Kailas, he is eating the chips, burgers, pizzas, and soft drinks, and these are harmful foods. Understood, students? So, do you think Kailas would like games and sports? No, obviously. Kailas would not like games and sports. His fat and flabby body shows that he hardly does physical activities. Okay, students? So, see, the condition of Kailas and Rashmi clearer. So, students, one thing you get at ideas what is the meaning of balanced diets? The diet which contains adequate amount of all nutrients. What are the nutrients? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. It's called a balanced diet, which is all the nutrients are present. The carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, these are the nutrients which is present in the diet, and these whole together known as balanced diets. Okay, so it also includes good amount of roughage and water. All these things are necessary for the proper growth and development of an individual, so which is not seen in the Rashmi and Kailash case. If you see Rashmi, she is not getting the food proper foods. balanced foods in which carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamin, minerals, all the balanced nutrients are present. But Kailash also not getting this type of foods. So this, so students, see now nowadays people are very lazy and fat. This is because of the junk food they eat. Okay, students, junk food like burger, pizza, which chips, etc., which you see the Kailash is eating this type of foods. So junk food contains fat and carbohydrates. What is the harmful effect of this? See, junk food contains fats and carbohydrate in high level, which causes fat and other problems. But still, some people are there who only eat health foods and are doing exercise, are fit enough to fight with disease. Understood, students? So healthy foods, few people are also there who is taking the healthy foods. They are also strong from nowadays people and are active. Health food like vegetables and fruits, which keeps us energy. So healthy foods contain, what is healthy foods? Say healthy foods which contains mainly many healthy nutrients and helps in body buildings. And while the junk foods, if at all, if the difference between healthy food and junk food, if you see, healthy foods contains many healthy nutrients and helps in body buildings, and junk foods has fat. It is not good for health. Okay, students. So everyone wants to eat delicious foods and enjoy the taste of life. Apart of enjoying the foods, individual forget to focus on the quality of meal. There are multiple differences between the healthy and unhealthy foods, though which we can easily decide. Okay, so healthy foods, it is referred as a food which is beneficial for health. Understood? While and nutritious also, healthy food is nutritious. So students, I talking about another topic, that is malnutritions. Okay, so say malnutritions, which is occurred when the body does not get enough foods and enough foods, it can lead to delayed growth. Understood, students? Delayed growth and low weight. As you see what happened to Rashmi, look at the Rashmi age is 5 years and she looks about 3 years old. Even she has very thin arms and legs and a pot belly. She always feels tired and cannot go to school regularly. She uh, does not have a strength even to play. So why the condition of Rashmi is like that? Because she can't get the little rice or one roti to eat in the whole day. So this is the condition of Rashmi. Okay, as we know the see the as we know that malnutrition is what we can't what again see malnutrition is what it's in it's occur when the body does not get enough nutrients. Okay, which what are the causes of this? Improper diets, poor diets. Okay, so this is the condition of malnutrition. If at all I'm talking about another condition, that is obesity. Obesity is generally caused by eating too much and moving too little. Understood, students? So if you consume high amount of energy, particularly fats and sugars, but do not burn off the energy through exercise and physical activity, much of the energy will be stored by the body as fat. Understood, student? So see, in the case of Kailash, Kailash age is 7 years. Understood, students? He looks older than his age. His body is fat and flabby, and he has a pain in his leg. So he is not very active. He goes to school by bus and spend many hours watching TV. Okay, so what food Kailash taking? He does not like to eat home cooked food like dal and rice, vegetables and roti, which is healthy or unhealthy foods. Healthy foods, okay. But what Kailash want? He always like tasty chips, burgers, pizzas, and soft drinks from the market. So see, this is the conditions of Rashmi and Kailas. So thank you. Today's topic we finish it. We will move for the next topic in the next class. So students, whatever we discussed today, please go through it very properly and study well. Thank you, everybody. Take study well and stay home, stay safe.